What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site, Swag Bucks. The link to it will be in the description. Sign up for a bonus. Just real quick, I just want to show you what they have on their surveys, these bonuses. I've mentioned to you plenty of times, but I just want to stress how important and how easy it is to make this free money. You see all these surveys they have. You see here 10-minute survey. It's right here. You get 50 swag bucks, but it's a plus 25 bonus. Right here, 3-minute survey. They pay 100 swag bucks, but it's a plus 50. So you're getting $1.50 for these surveys. They always have times where they do bonuses on the surveys. If you want to see them all, you go over here to view all. And they'll basically give you a list of all the surveys they have, and all the surveys have bonus. Up here, all these good surveys. And you just scroll down for more. You know what I'm saying? Just because they have lots of them. They continue to reload. And, you just go through and attempt each one that you can. The thing about it is they do have disqualification points. So if you don't qualify for one, then they'll still give you 1 point. I mean, it's not a lot, but when you see how many surveys they have, if let's say you don't qualify for none of these, but my bad, went to the wrong site. But let's say you don't qualify for any of these surveys, you still get 1 point. So just right here, I mean, it's over, I would say 100 surveys. That's $1 easily. But, of course, you're going to qualify for some of them. You're not going to qualify for all of them, but you will qualify for some of them. So go through and try as many as you can. They don't take that long, especially if you're fast at answering questions. So I just really wanted to show you that with the surveys. And to make it easier on you for them giving you surveys, you see here your survey profile. You have to continuously kind of fill this out. And you see every 10 questions, you'll get 2 swag bucks. Things like, do you own a motorcycle? I just click yes or no. And then, I just keep going until I get past 10 questions and I get 2 swag bucks. But that's designed for them to better target you with surveys. So they're not giving you a whole bunch of surveys that you'll disqualify for. So it's important to kind of fill it out when you have it. It'll kind of pop up, I'd say like, once or twice a week when they have more questions for you to really target you for surveys. Especially if you go through and you're getting disqualified for a few of them, they will give you that. So definitely fill it out because you're getting paid to fill it out. So I got to fill mine out. But I want to show you this video because I have a bonus that I'm going to get, and I'm going to cash out. I have $25.65 that I'm going to cash out. I just cashed out not too long ago, so I'm really, grinding on this site lately. But I'm going to show you my bonus. I got a bonus for December. You see here, it is January 14th, and I got my December bonus yesterday. It took a while to come. I don't know what happened, but, whatever. I don't care. It's just I still got the bonus. So what I'm going to do is just remind you my balance, $25.65. I'm going to go to my email because here they have it right here that I can claim my December bonus. So I'm going to do that. And it says, look, click here to claim your bonus. So I click here. And your bonus is 107 swag bucks. So I'm going to claim bonus. And this is basically what I got just from making money in the month of December. Nothing special. It's just, I went on and I was, grinding, doing surveys, doing offers, watching videos, all that good stuff. And I got a bonus. And I already claimed it. So I'm going to go into my activity to show you because I think I did claim it the other day. Or yesterday, matter of fact. And you see here, right there, December bonus, 107. So right here, you see my bonus went up. I mean, my balance went up $2,000, not $2,000, I wish, but $26.72. All right, so that's just the bonus you get, and you get the bonus right here. You see here, if I get 102 swag bucks, they'll give me free $7. I got one today because I just started doing some of the surveys, and I got disqualified for it. So it's a good opportunity to show you that you do get the disqualification points. But I stopped just to make this video, but also you can go on streaks, and I'm gonna show you streaks here. That you can get to really make your bonus, go up. You see here, if you meet your daily goal for 7 days in a row, you give you 25. Meet your daily goal 14 days in a row. That's the one I got. 14 days in a row, I reached my daily goals. It gave me 100 swag bucks and, some other little, points and bonuses that they offer throughout the month. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. Now I'm going to cash out real quick, and I have, a little bit over $26. So what I'm going to do is actually find one of these on sale rewards. This is a site they really have a lot of on sale rewards, meaning you get discounts on them. So, you can cash out with anything. You can do PayPal, Amazon. They got so many different gift cards for restaurants, all that kind of good stuff. But for me, I do this Visa gift card because I only have to give them 2,175 swag bucks, as opposed to PayPal, which is, obviously one of my favorites. But, with these Visa PayPal, with these Visa cards, you can basically use them like cash on the internet, because I do a lot of purchases on the internet anyway, and you can use it the same way. So, I use this just so I can get a discount on. I mean, you're free to use whatever you want, but, like I said, if I want to do PayPal, I have to give them basically 2,500 swag bucks, as opposed to this right here. This is a discount. So I'm going to click on this, and they're going to give me, the whole spiel about it. But see here, you get a 12%, you get a 13% discount. So you get a minimum of 12% discount, to $25 gift card. So I'm going to actually hit redeem over here. And then they'll ask me to, confirm my address and all that good stuff. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so I verified my address and all that, and I'm going to click continue. And then right there, you'll see this confirmation has always been processed. And I'll get an email, and it usually comes to me like within 1 to 2 days. And you see my balance went down. So they have it on the way for me. I basically get it in my email, and I can use it like cash. So that's just the whole thing. I'm getting $25. Still got almost $5 in my account, so I'm gonna still grind, do some work now, get on some surveys, things like that. So just to show you how easy it is to make money with this site, especially when you're doing all the surveys, the free offers, letting your videos run, and then you're getting bonuses on top of that. So definitely sign up for this site. Like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up with the link so you can get the bonus. So you can really, you don't have to start out with zero. You can get something. You can, just go through and, do what I showed you. The surveys are always offering bonuses. You get another bonus when you reach your daily goal. You can watch videos, all kind of good stuff. So it's a really good site to use. I really recommend it. So sign up today with the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.